Musical etiquette. Respect others.
Hey Mr. Brian, could you turn the music down a bit?
I'm not Brian. I'm James.
Oh, hey James. Can you lower the volume? The whole hallway's dancing against its will.
I'm just vibing. My ears are loving it.
Your ears might be fine, but the walls are begging for mercy. And this room? It looks like a tornado threw a party.
It's not messy. It's just energetically decorated.
There's a sock doing yoga under your chair and a plate with a moldy sandwich. Auditioning for a horror movie. If Uncle Jack sees this, you're done.
Uncle Jack never comes in here. I'm safe.
One photo of that sandwich and he'll sprint up the stairs like a ninja. Want me to hit send?
No. I'll clean it. Music's down. Sandwich is gone. Happy now?
Almost. That sock still looks suspiciously alive.
It's just taking a nap.
By the way, where's Mr. Brian?
He went out with his friends. They're celebrating Kelly's birthday.
Kelly's birthday is today? He didn't mention it.
He texted you yesterday. Didn't you see it?
Oh no, my phone's been dead since last night. I forgot to charge it.
Hand it over. I'll plug it in for you.
Do you have a fast charger?
Yep. Turbo mode.
Perfect. Plug it in, please.
Done. You'll be back online in no time.
Thanks. By the way, tell Brian I said happy birthday to Kelly.
I'll do. And hey, next time, knock with snacks. This room runs on chaos and chips.
Chips I can do. Chaos? You've got that covered.
Safe use of electronics.
Jack, I need to take this call. Can you warm up your lunch on your own?
Sure, Mom. I'm a big boy now.
I know you are. Just be careful, Mr. Big Boy.
Omelet. I guess I just pop it in like this. 3 minutes should do it. Why is the microwave glowing? What's that smell?
Smoke? Oh no. What's happening? I'm calling 911.
What's your emergency, ma'am?
My microwave is sparking and filled with smoke. The fire's out now, but it was scary.
Good job acting quickly.
Thank you.
Can you tell me what was inside the microwave?
Just an omelet in a plastic container.
Oh no, ma'am. Plastic containers can be dangerous in the microwave unless they're labeled microwave safe.
I know, but my son put it in. I didn't think to explain.
It's important to show kids what's safe and what's not. Stick to glass, ceramic, or containers marked microwave safe.
You're absolutely right. I just told him to heat it up and walked away.
Kids need more than instructions, they need guidance.
I understand. I'll be more careful next time. I feel terrible for being so careless.
It's okay now, but remember, better safe than sorry.
Jack, before you use the microwave, always check the container. If it doesn't say microwave safe, it can melt or even catch fire.
Okay, Mom. I'll be careful.
The meeting was canceled.
Hey Jack, did you hear the meeting got canceled?
The one scheduled for this afternoon?
Yeah, didn't you see the email?
No, I haven't checked my inbox yet. So it's officially canceled?
Yep. I just found out myself. Apparently, no one knew until the email went out.
Do you know why they called it off?
The manager's out sick today, so they postponed it to next week.
Ah, that explains it. Honestly, I was stressing about being late. I've got a mountain of work today.
Well, now you've got some breathing room. No need to rush.
True. Although, I was hoping to get some updates on the project status.
Same here. I was curious about the new timeline and deliverables.
Hopefully they'll cover everything next week. Maybe they'll send a summary in the meantime?
That would be helpful. I'll check with the team lead and let you know if anything comes through.
Thanks, Emma. Appreciate the heads up.
Anytime. Let's use the extra time to catch up on our tasks.